Alright, hi everyone. Today I'll be showing you how to properly install the Janus Framework in order to get the Janus Vega project rolling. Before that, I want to make sure that you're in the right place. You have to have already downloaded the Janus Vega files. If not, you should go back to Labs tutorial and watch it first before going into this. So once you already have all of this set up and you have Unreal Engine 4.23 set up and installed on your computer, you can start watching this tutorial. So for those that have done that, what we're going to do is we're first going to locate this project in our Explorer. So if we do that, go inside and try to find the plugins folder. And in here, you would probably just have the auto size comments and BP threads. What we're going to be looking for is to install the Janus framework itself. So I already have it, but you will not. So what you'll have to do is you have to right click and open this folder in Git Bash. And you basically need to clone our repository from GitHub, which is right here. Here's the link. Or you could probably look it up on our Discord channel. What you'll need to do is copy this HTTP right here. And basically you would need to type in this command, which is git clone and the URL of the Janus framework. And once you do, you hit enter and it should properly install it inside of the plugins folder. Remember, what you should do is right click, you will open git bash, and you would type the command to git clone and the URL of the framework. Once it's downloaded, you should make sure to go back and right click on the Janus Vega U project. And you'll have a couple of options here. What you want to do is click on Generate Visual Studio Project Files. I already did that, so it will automatically pick up on the version that you have installed for this project, and it will properly generate the solution files. If it fails, please refer to the Discord where we can help you out. Once you do that, just make sure you launch the solution project. Again, you also want to have Visual Studio 2019 installed for the purposes of this demo. And let me make sure the project properly loads up. Okay. All right, awesome. So once you have it loaded inside of Visual Studio, it should take a couple minutes, probably the first time that you launch it. Once you do, you can either just hit F5 or click on Local Windows Debugger to just not deal with that. And we'll try to compile your project files. This way, it will recognize our source files for the Janus framework. It will try to compile it together, and if everything goes smoothly, it will launch the Unreal Engine editor. That way, you will be able to go in, hit play, and test it out and see if your project is properly loaded. Probably the first time that you do, it will have a couple of hiccups because it will be basically compiling a lot of the shaders. So it will take a little bit of time, just like, for example, right now it's taking quite a bit by the looks of it. Looks like I'm using a lot of RAM, but all in all, that's all you have to do. So make sure to do that, and you have any troubles, just let us know in the Discord.